Imagine a world without the noisy hum of air conditioners. Picture buildings staying cool without harming the planet. This is the promise of magnetic cooling, a revolutionary technology poised to change how we beat the heat. It's a breath of fresh air, both literally and figuratively. This isn't science fiction. Scientists are harnessing the power of magnetic fields to create an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional air conditioning. This technology uses magnets and water. It's a simple idea with the potential to revolutionize how we cool our world. The implications are huge. Magnetic cooling could slash energy consumption, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and pave the way for a more sustainable future. It's a game changer. The Earth is warming up. We all feel it. The demand for cooling is skyrocketing, putting a strain on energy grids and pumping harmful emissions into the atmosphere. Traditional air conditioners are energy-hungry beasts. They rely on hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, potent greenhouse gases far more damaging than carbon dioxide. These gases trap heat and contribute to climate change. The numbers are alarming. The International Energy Agency predicts that global energy demand for cooling will triple by 2050. We need a better way to cool our homes, offices, and cities. Magnetic cooling offers a solution. So, how does this magical cooling actually work? It's based on the magnetocaloric effect. Certain materials, when exposed to a magnetic field, heat up. When the magnetic field is removed, they cool down. It's like magic, but it's science. Here's the process, simplified. A magnetocaloric material, often a special metal alloy, is placed inside a magnetic field. The material heats up. This heat is then transferred away from the material using water or another fluid. When the magnetic field is removed, the material cools down below its initial temperature. This chilled fluid can then cool a building, just like a traditional AC system. Unlike traditional ACs, magnetic cooling systems don't use harmful refrigerants. They are also significantly more energy efficient, using up to 40% less energy. That's a big deal for both the environment and your wallet. Section 4. Cooling the world. From offices to factories, magnetic cooling is already making its mark across the globe. Let's look at 3 real-world examples. First, net zero offices in Denmark. In Copenhagen, a new office complex is using magnetic cooling to achieve net zero energy consumption. The building's cooling system is entirely powered by renewable energy sources, making it a model for sustainable design. Next, AI-powered smart homes in California. Imagine a home that cools itself intelligently. In California, homeowners are using AI-powered thermostats to control their magnetic cooling systems. These smart thermostats learn your preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, maximizing energy efficiency and comfort. Finally, industrial cooling in India. India's industries rely heavily on cooling, but traditional methods consume vast amounts of energy. Now, factories are turning to magnetic cooling to reduce their carbon footprint and save money. A textile factory in Mumbai reported a 30% reduction in energy consumption after switching to magnetic cooling. These are just a few examples of how magnetic cooling is transforming how we cool our world. From homes to offices to factories, this technology offers a sustainable and efficient way to beat the heat. Section 5. Challenges on the horizon. While the future of magnetic cooling is bright, challenges remain. The technology is still relatively expensive compared to traditional AC units. The materials used in magnetocaloric materials can be costly. However, as with any new technology, costs are expected to decrease as production scales up, and research leads to more affordable materials. Governments and businesses are investing heavily in magnetic cooling research and development, recognizing its potential to combat climate change and reduce energy consumption. The future is about collaboration. By working together, we can overcome these challenges and make magnetic cooling accessible to everyone. Section 6. A cooler future. What do you think? Magnetic cooling represents a giant leap towards a more sustainable future. It's a chance to rethink how we cool our world and reduce our impact on the planet. What do you think about this groundbreaking technology? Would you consider using magnetic cooling in your home or workplace? Share your thoughts and be a part of the conversation about creating a cooler, greener future. The choices we make today will determine the temperature of our planet tomorrow. Let's choose wisely. Let's choose a cooler future.